Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, I'm going to be presenting to us number-based system, binary system precisely. Counting and measuring have become part of our everyday life. Counting that is usually done in group of 10 have been seen as the most commonly used system of counting. When we say that we are counting in group of 10, we are just simply explaining base 10. And counting in base 10 is made up of 10 digits, which are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But the process of counting in group of 2 is what we call a binary system, which is made up of zeros and 1, which is very important in our modern day computers. Remember that modern day computers make use of electricity. And inside the microchip, electricity is either turned on or off, which is usually represented by 1 and 0. This explains binary. But today I'm going to be explaining more on conversion of binary numbers to base 10. For us to be able to convert a binary number or binary numbers to base 10, we need to binary numbers in the sum of its powers of 2. So look up and see how we do it. I have 11001101 base 2. And we are told to express it in base 10. So for the first one, which is 1, so I can say 1 times the base, which is 2, plus 1 also, the second one, times the base, which is 2, plus 0 times the base, which is 2, plus 0 times 2, plus 1 times 2, plus 1 times 2, plus 0 times 2, plus 1 times 2. Then let's assign their powers. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power 7 is 128, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 6 is 64, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 5 is 32, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 4 is 16, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 8, 2 raised to the power 2 is 8, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0 and 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. This is equal to 1 times 128 is 128. 1 times 64 is 64. 0 times 32 is 0. Plus 0 times 16 is 0. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 4 is 4. 0 times 2 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. So 128 plus 64 plus 00 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 205. And 205 is in base 10. So I have actually expressed 205 in base 10. Then the last question before we end says 1101 in base 2. So let's express it in its powers of 2. I have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. So from the right I have 0, 1, 2, 3. Then you can see I have 1 times 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 2 is 4, plus 0 times 2 raised to the power 1 is 2, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 0 is 1. So I have 1 times 8 is 8, plus 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 times 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1. So you can see here 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and that 13 is in base 10. So thank you for watching. Thank you for viewing. Kindly follow me on social media platform. YouTube is Enough Goodwill Online Maths. Instagram is Enough Goodwill Online Maths, so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.